Guys, it's Dyjere. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing a spring flower inspired makeup tutorial. So we're going to be doing, flower is the Crocus, I think that's how you pronounce it. I was just looking up spring flowers, and this is one that I found that was really beautiful to me. Also, I haven't done a purple look in a really long time, so I was like, let's do some purple vibes today. So if you guys want to see my spring flower makeup tutorial, then just keep on watching. Okay, so we're gonna do something a little bit different today. We're gonna prime with this white like face type paint that I have. I really want the colors to be very vibrant, so I'm gonna prime with just a white on my eyes. Made a face chart of what I want the look to look like. I just created this beautiful little like purple ombre look. This is the flower, by the way, so it looks kind of blue, but it's more like purple. But this is, yeah, the face chart that I'm gonna be doing today. First things first, we're gonna take the Makeup Revolution Alexis Stone palette, and we're gonna take last shade in the purple row, which is like a dark purple shade. We're basically just gonna create like a outer V shape on our eyes. And blend that onto the lid. I'm gonna take this, like, it's like a flat brush, but it's also more like fluffy, and I'm gonna take this second purple shade and put that right next to that shade, like on the lid. Now we're gonna take this Morphe like chrome brush. It doesn't really have like a name or anything. We're gonna take the first purple shade, which is like a very light purple, put that on the inner corner of our eye, also blending it into that dark purple shade. And make sure it's blended together. I'm gonna take the M506 brush and take the dark purple again and just make sure it's nice and pigmented on the outer corner. I'm gonna take a small flat brush and take the yellow from that palette and just pop it in our inner corner. Now I'm gonna do just a liner, so like this is gonna conceal my lashes and all that good stuff. I'm not going to do a wing liner, I'm just going to do a little liner across like the bottom of my lid. So I'm just going to take some concealer and clean up under the eyeshadow just to make it nice and sharp. Now for foundation, we're going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in the shade 335. And now for under eye concealer, we're going to take the Juvia's Place Concealer in the shade 18. Camera died, so I just finished my face and all that good stuff off camera. I put on a lash because I was just trying to do like as much as I could to like get my camera to charge a little bit. So now we're gonna do my under eye. So we're basically just gonna take the same colors that we used at the top. So I'm gonna take the Morphe M382 brush. I'm gonna take the darkest purple and put that on the outer half of our eye. And I'm gonna wipe off that brush, and on that same brush we're gonna take the lightest purple and put that on the inner part of our eye. Okay guys, so this is the finished Crocus makeup tutorial. It's like a spring flower. I love it so much. I think it's so cute. I feel like it looks like the flower in like a editorial type way, and I really like how it looks just like my face chart. Yeah, this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and thank you guys for 200 subscribers. I'm so excited. So now my new goal is 300 subscribers. So if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, please subscribe, because I would love to have you as part of my little YouTube family. And yeah, if you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff will be on the screen right here. It'll also be in the description box down below for your convenience. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I truly hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.